Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how you can install and use Adobe Lightroom on your PC for free. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna tell you that there is no any way to download and install officially Adobe Lightroom for desktop, but you guys can use the Android variant on your PC. In order to download Adobe Lightroom for Android variant, you guys have to simply go to your internet browser on your PC or laptop. Here you guys have to simply search for BlueStacks. So after searching for BlueStacks, here you guys have to simply tap on download BlueStacks. So after clicking on that, here you guys have to simply download the BlueStacks for your Windows or Mac. So after downloading the BlueStacks for your Windows or Mac, you guys have to simply open up. So my BlueStacks is starting. I have already downloaded it and installed it. You guys must have to download it and install it. So after downloading and install, you guys have to simply open up BlueStacks. Now BlueStacks has been installed. Now what you guys have to do is you guys have to simply tap on System Apps, and here you guys have to simply open up Play Store. It is similar like Android phone. So here you guys have to simply log in with your Google device or Google account. So Google Play Store will be opened here, and you guys have to just simply search the Adobe Lightroom and install it from Google Play Store. And in this way, you guys can enjoy Adobe Lightroom on your PC for free. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.